Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to save pictures from Excel to folder. Okay. Now see this sheet 2 only sheet 2. Go to file, save as desktop title image. Now see this. Find this web page. Okay. Click here. Now save. See this. Now see this image FF files. Open your image. Now see this many image automatically saved. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.